Hello everyone, my name is Malanka. Today I want to give a speech. My speech title is Why Young People Must Wake Up to the Dangers of Short Video Platforms. Each swipe takes away a bit of your focus. A recent 2024 article from IVSCI warns that the endless scroll of short video is rewiring young people's brain, making it harder to focus, think deeply, or stay mentally present. If you were ever picked up your phone for a quick break and suddenly realized 40 minutes disappeared, you're not alone. But more importantly, you're not safe from its effect either. Let's be honest, almost all of us here use TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts every day. But what many of us don't realize is that the more we scroll, the more we are training our brains against focus. It's getting harder to concentrate on reading, studying, or even enjoying quiet moments. This issue affects every student, every learner, and potentially every future professional in this room, including you. I'm not just here to complain about the screen time. I've personally struggled to stay focused while studying because I kept reaching for short videos, telling myself just one more. That frustration led me to research what was really happening to our brains. Through articles from IVSCI, the Lowell, and the Midwood Angus, I discovered just how serious the damage can be and why we can't afford to ignore it. Young people must recognize the dangers of short videos platforms and take action to reduce their dependence. Only then can we protect our attention span, improve our academic and work performance, and safeguard our mental well-being. Today I will walk you through 3 key ideas. First is how short videos reduce our attention span. The second one is how they harm our academic and work performance. The last one is how they negatively affect our mental health. And after this, I will share what we can actually do about it. Let's start by looking at how short video platforms are changing the way we pay attention. My first main idea is short video platforms are reducing young people's attention span. A 2023 article from the Lowell titled Short Videos, Shorter Attention explains that students who often watch short videos struggle to stay focused in class and have trouble completing longer reading tasks. Educators and students in the article worry that fast, dopamine-driven content trains our brains to expect instant rewards, making slower activity like studying feeling frustrating. This isn't just temporary. The brain is being rewired to crave constant stimulation to avoid deep thinking or patience-based tasks. As a result, many students feel bored, anxious, or even irritated when trying to concentrate for more than a few minutes. What used to feel normal now feels uncomfortable. But attention problems aren't just about studying, they are already affecting real-life success in school and work. So here comes the main idea too. Short video addiction is hurting young people's academic and career potential. A 2024 article from the Midwood Angus titled Bite-Sized Attention shows that students hooked on short videos often perform worse on tests and struggle to remember what they learn. The article says many TikTok or YouTube short users lack cognitive endurance. They can't they focus long enough to write essays or finish big tasks. Teachers and employers are seeing more people start tasks but not finish them. This shorter focus could hurt career prospects where deep focus is key. Without better screen habits, the article warns young people risk long-term setback in both school and future jobs. And perhaps most worrying is how of all this is affecting our mental health. So my last main idea is short video platforms are harming young people's mental well-being. A 2024 IVSCI article explains that these platforms are linked to rising anxiety, fatigue, and even emotional burnout. The endless scroll feature keeps users watching much longer than they plan. When they try to stop, they often feel anxious and restless. The article describes the digital fog, a state where users feel mentally overwhelmed and emotionally drained. Researchers call it digital burnout, a condition where people feel numb or exhausted after hours of content that were supposed to be entertaining. In closing, while short videos might seem like harmless fun, they are quietly draining our ability to focus, learn, and stay mentally healthy. And that's a trend we can't afford to ignore. Today, we've seen how short video platforms are more than just entertainment. They reduce our attention span, harm our performance in school and work, and damage our mental well-being. This isn't just about distraction, it's about a long-term impact on our minds and futures. So what can you do? Start small. Limit your daily screen time for short videos, turn off the autoplay function, schedule real breaks from your phone, not just on it. These small steps help you take back control of your attention, and protecting your focus now means you are protecting your future success, your mental clarity, and your peace of mind. In a world that rewards constant scrolling, the real rebellion is learning to slow down and focus. Protecting your attention isn't just about better grades or productivity. It's about reclaiming control over your mind, your time, and ultimately your future. Okay, thank you. That's my speech.